Mikey. Oh, yes.
Yes, ano pa, after nito, meron pa po kaming magic show. Kung gusto na kaming panoorin. Free.
Hindi,
Free po ang
Mag-waiter tayo mamaya. Hindi tayo mag-magician.
Ayan po, maraming
Anyway.
salamat sa ating guest analyst for today, Coach Benji Paras. And of course, my partner, Mikey Reyes, our courtside reporters, Avia Zunic, and Chloe Carillo, Direk Abed Ramos, Sir Oli Amoroso, Ms. Marvin Caraneta, all of us from GMA and GMA Synergy. I'm Anton Ross saying maraming salamat sa inyong panonood ng NCAA Season 97. We are stronger together. Buo ang puso.
Nag-aisa,